So today I'm drawing inspiration from Miss Rebecca's Art Challenge, and I'm gonna go on a walk in my neighborhood and visit a park and take pictures of any nature I find, any plants or animals that I find inspiring. So here, I'm gonna pack up my bag. Got my art teacher book bag. I'm gonna put my phone in so I can take photos. And then I'm going to put my pencil case with all my pens and pencils in there and bring that with me. And I'm going to bring my sketchbook so that I can sit in my yard and draw as well. I'm going to bring that. And then I'm going to put my adventure jacket on. But before I leave the house, before I go on my nature walk to the park near my house, I'm going to put on my face mask so that everyone stays safe and healthy. See you later. Bye. Wow, I saw so many inspiring things on my nature walk. I have tons of art ideas now, and I'm going to show a few of them to you. One thing I saw a ton of turtles at the pond near my house. So I started drawing turtles and a bunny. I also started painting some of the flowers in gardens around my neighborhood. And don't tell anyone. Shh, this is a secret. This is a big secret. But this is a Mother's Day gift. Shh, don't tell my mom. It'll be our little secret. This is a Mother's Day gift. It's partway finished. And I don't want her to know. I want it to be a surprise. Now, I'd love to see what you guys come up with if you go on any nature walks or even any trips outside in your yard or in your sitting on your porch or looking out your window. Or if you like some of the photos I took and want to get inspired by those, that's cool too. I hope you're staying safe at home and staying healthy. And I hope you're making lots of art and staying inspired. Bye!